What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy working away to checking in with another one. Right here is a 2023 Subaru Crosstrek. 2023 Subaru Crosstrek. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the trim panel, that glass, the door handle, and the mirror. I will show you guys the points first, and then I will show you guys the work. With that said, let's go play peekaboo, guys. Let's go. Alright, the first thing what I want you guys to do, guys, go ahead and get yourself a flathead screwdriver, guys. Okay, a flathead. That'll be a small one. Alright. Over here. You guys see that square piece right there? Go ahead and pop it up. Just put it right between the groove of it and pop it up. It comes up. You're gonna take that screw from right there. That is a Phillips. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. Over here. See that piece right there? You're gonna hold back the handle and pop that piece out. Okay? See that? It comes right out. Take that piece out. The reason why we did that is a screw right there, okay? So it's 2 screws. Alright, so go ahead and take the 2 screws from there. And then we're gonna go ahead and take off the trim panel. Now stay tuned and watch the work. That's 1. That's 2. All right. Go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver. This crease right here, guys. You're gonna drive the screwdriver right between the crease of the door and the trim panel. You're gonna pry it back just a little bit. Pry the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. Then you're gonna hold it and pop it off with your hand. Just like that. Now you're going to grab it and you're going to go up with it. Yeah. Take those 2 loose. Remember, the blue one goes on top. The blue one goes on top. You guys, remember, guys, the blue one goes on top. If you cannot remember, just go ahead and mark it. Now we got 2 plugs to take loose. You're gonna go ahead and take those 2 plugs loose. The white one and the black one. Now, let's take out the mirror. That's how you take that out, guys. Pretty easy. Comes right off. All right, guys. It's time to take off the mirror. All right. What I want you guys to do first is peel back this plastic, okay? Actually, go ahead and take them loose first, alright? I'm going to show you guys exactly where the nuts are that's holding the mirror. Let's go take a look. Okay, guys, you see this? This is the harness for the mirror. This white clip right here is a white clip. Right, they're going to push that white clip in, okay? Gonna push it in and pull down on this. See that? It comes right out. All right. It's the same way to loose these things, okay? You loose these things. You push that black clip in right there. Push that black clip in. This one, you push the white one down and pull on it. Anyways, but once you take that loose, go ahead and pry this back. Right at that, guys. Okay, let me get my light over here now. You guys see the, you guys see that screw? It's 3 of those screws. One right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. 3 of them. So that's 1 right there, and it's 2 right there. Go ahead and take them, all 3 of them screws from out of there. All right, and then once you guys get those screws loose, it's time to take off the mirror. Now let's get back to it. By the way, guys, those 3 screws for the mirror, that is a number 10 socket, okay? Number 10. Get yourself a number 10. We're gonna turn them backwards to the left. But also go in and get yourself an extension. Before you take the last screw out, go ahead and hold the mirror just in case it falls. But sometimes these mirrors, they do have a safety clip on them, but you have to be on the safe side. Go ahead and hold it anyways. That's my one comes right out. Guys, remember, when you guys go to put back this mirror, make sure you put it right behind this run channel. This run channel. This is the channel where the glass goes up and down at, for the run channel. And make sure the wire goes right behind it. Not in front of it, behind it, because if the wires go in front of it, the glass would not go down. That goes behind it. Now let's take out let's do the glass, and then we're gonna do the handle last. The first thing I want you guys to do is take off this plastic piece right here. Take that piece off. Go ahead and take off this piece. Goes right off. All right. Go ahead and take off the speaker. It's 4 screws, Phillips. It's 4 of them. Actually, no. Might not have to. Let me plug back the trim panel first and see, okay? Hold on. Okay, you guys go ahead and plug in back the trim panel because we're going to drop the glass down. Okay, go ahead and turn the vehicle on. boom. All right. I'm going to show you guys exactly where to drop it down at. I want you guys to pay attention to the glass and the bottom of the glass, all right? I'm going to drop it down. See it moving? See it moving? Bam. That's one screw right there. The next one is right there. You're going to take them 2 screws loose. Okay, guys, go ahead and take that screw loose and take that screw loose. That's how you, once you take them 2 screws loose, you can go ahead and grab this bad boy and twist it and pull it out of there. Now we'll go ahead and take back off the trim panel. Alright, same thing. Those are number 10, same thing. Number 10, same thing. Alright, go ahead and turn them screws to the left. This glass right here, guys, is pretty easy. As you guys can see. Once you guys take off the plastic, and this piece right here, it's all exposed, so it's pretty easy. Now you're going to grab the glass and you're going to tilt it forward. I told you this one is pretty easy, okay guys? This one is pretty easy. Now we're gonna take out the handle. I'm also going to show you guys how to take off this piece right here, the fixed glass. Alright, I'm going to show you how to take off this glass right here. First thing, right here, you're going to pull back the rubber. See that screw right there? It's a Phillips. Take that screw from right there. Then you're going to come down here. Take that screw from there. Then come down here and take them 2 screws from there. And then this bad boy, you're going to tilt it and slide it out. Comes right out. Let's get back to the work. Hold it and push it forward that way. See? Comes right out. This one. Get it. That's it. Comes right out. Alright? Alright. Last but not least, I'm going to show you guys how to take out the door handle now, okay? Let's go take a look, baby. Okay, guys. This is how you take out the handle. And by the way, this step has to be done first. Go ahead and take off this piece right here. Go ahead and take it out, okay? Now, I want you guys to pay close attention, guys. I'm gonna get my light. Get my light up inside of here, so you guys can see. Get my light. All right. I can move this bad boy back. You see that wire right there, guys? That have to be taken loose first. Okay, so what we're gonna do up here, use a flathead screwdriver. gonna go up here. We're gonna pry this up. We're gonna pry this one down. And then this part should be able to come off. See that? Now, we're gonna use this bad boy. There's a clip inside here, a white clip. We're gonna push the bad one inside here. We're going right there, pry the piece off, just like that. Let's go ahead and take it off. You see that white clip? I'm gonna push it in and pull out. Remember, the camera is in my hand, so it's pretty difficult for me to do it. Anyway, you're gonna push this clip in and push it out. And pull it out, see, just like that. Alright, basically go push this in and pull it out. Now, when you guys go to put this thing back, just go ahead and put this piece, put back this black piece on top of it and plug it back in. Next thing you guys do, take that plug from there. Take it out. You see that screw right there? We're going to turn that screw to the left. But what that screw does, it take that loose, the locks turn the loose. Alright? Now let's get back to the work. Well, you gotta get your star tip. Number 30, okay? Number 30. Turn it to the left. All the way. Don't worry about the screw falling down inside there. It will not fall down. But there's a safety clip around it. That's it. Now use the flat head and put it right between the groove of it. And pry it out. It comes out. Bam, just like that. Comes right out. Alright? Now hold this handle and put it backwards away from the door. Just like that. Go ahead and take these pieces out, okay? Anyways, see that, guys? Comes right out. Can't miss it. See? That's all she wrote. The mirror, the handle, the trim panel, the glass, and the fixed glass. That's how you do that, baby. 1, 2, 3. That's how we do that, alright? With that said, guys, thanks for keep tuning in. Please bang that like, bang that subscribe. If you guys feel like to support the channel, give a cash up in the link. Go and buy that cash up. With that said, I will see you guys in the next video. The boy walking and checking in. Bam!